guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good Sunday or whatever day you're watching this. I wish you a good day. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you, and I also like to have you as a part of this channel. I think the CRTs are slowly coming back. Hopefully they will get better next week. I was able to grab all these items for free and $1.07 money maker after I received all the Ibotta Rebate and also from Fetch. Let me show you guys how I did it. The first transaction I'll be doing will be on the Shake or Skintimate disposable. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you spend $15 you get $5 back. I'll be using two $4 coupons I got from coupons.com. We have one last week's Smart Sauce. There's a $4 there, and we also received a $3 today, but the $4 is better. I have a 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT, email CRT I'll be using. Let me pick up the rest of the items. The next transaction I'll be adding to this will be on the Suave body wash. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two you get $2 back. I'll be picking up two of the men's, and I'll use a 1 off of 2 email coupon I got from Unilever. Just sign up and they will randomly email you. The next transaction will be on the Colgate toothpaste. It's on the deal of spend 10 you get $5 back. So I'll be picking up two of this Optic White at $5.19 each. We all received a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and also there is another $1 digital coupon that will attach. Both of them will double dip and take off $5, leaving you to pay just $5.38 and get $5 back. This is everything I'll be picking up in this transaction. You can see the two Optic Whites. I'll be using the 4 off of 2 and the $1 digital coupon. And for the Suave, this is a $1 coupon I got from Unilever email that will take off $1 from the two of them. And these are the two $4 off I got from coupons.com. And I'll also be adding a 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT. Let me go check out. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. I added a little candy price at 34 cents at the counter because I wasn't able to get to my 30, but that's still fine. I ended up using just $10 extra care box, and I paid 73 cents out of pocket, and I got $5 back for the Colgate and $5 back for the Shake, and I also got a $2 back for the Suave, making all this transaction free and a $1.27 money maker. My next transaction will be on the spend 30 get $10 back, and this will be all digital deal. There is no paper coupon for this. I have an 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT I received in my email. So my plan with this transaction is to make sure the whole $8 goes into this. But because this is spend 30 get 10 and I have spent 8 off of 40, I will be adding other items that will not take away anything from the 8 off of 40. I'll pick up the Downy Unstoppable at $6.99 and also the Downy dryer sheets at $6.99. There is a $1 digital coupon attaching to this, and the Unstoppable also have a $2 digital coupon attaching to it. So make sure you're scanning your items in the store. The next item we'll be adding will be this Gain at $6.99 also, and we'll be using the $1 digital coupon for it also. And to complete it, I'll be picking up the Charmin at $8.99. That's the sale price, and we have a 25 cents coupon that will also attach to this. Let me go pick up the rest of the items and I will show you guys how everything will work out. Select Clairol is on the deal of buy one get $5 back. So what I will do is pick up this one price at $9.79, and I have a CRT for free hair color from the buy 7 get 1 free. So all I have to pay for this is 79 cents and I'll get $5 back. This is the freebie everybody's supposed to receive today. We got a CRT for 99 cents. All you have to do is add it to your card and you pick up one. I got mine near the Toms, and there is one at the register also. Let me go check out. I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. All the coupons came off. The CRT, the hair color CRT took off the maximum value. The Alka-Seltzer adjusted down to 49 cents, I guess because of the extra care box I used. I paid $0 and I got back $10 for doing the spend 30 and also $5 for doing the Clairol. The hair color ended up being just $4.21 money maker, but the whole transaction ended up being just $4. My next transaction will be on the Revlon. It's on the deal of spend 20 get $8 back. I'll be picking up 3 of the face powder priced at $10.99. To get to 40, I'll be picking up one of the kids balm priced at $6.99. For the face powder, I'll be using three $3 coupon, and for the kids balm, I'll be using a $2 coupon also for it. I have a $3 instant coupon that will take off another $3. I will end up paying just $9.98, and I will get $16 back because I did it twice, because this is a limit of 6. This will end up being free and a $6.02 money maker. I'll be back with my receipt to show you guys how everything worked out. I added the Suave deodorant to this. It's on the deal of buy one get one half off, and when you buy 3 you get $5 back. I wasn't able to film this, but I did a transaction already, so I'm explaining it. What I used was a $1.50 I got from Unilever email. I ended up paying just $7.23, got back $5, submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back 50 cents for each one of them, making it just 24 cents each. And that's the $5 I got back for buying 3 of them. And look at how all the coupons are applied. All the CRTs for the Revlon came off. 2 of the buy 2 get 1 free for the face, and I also used a $3 coupon. The only problem I had with this transaction was that $2 for the lip product did not come off, so I ended up paying $2 more than I wanted to pay, but that's still okay. My next transaction will be on the L'Oreal Elvive. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back, and it's on sale for 2 for $9. We all received a 3 off of 2 in our app, and if you check coupons.com, there is another 3 off of 2 that you can print now. I have a 3 off of 2 instant coupon that will apply to this, so it will end up being free. I'm back with my receipt, and everything worked out fine. All the coupons came off, and the CRT also came off. And I got these 2 items for free and a $3 money maker. The instant CRT I used in this transaction is the one we got 2 weeks ago. If you're able to wait till the following Saturday to print it out, it can extend for 7 days. And if your store accepts a day expired CRTs, that way you can be able to use it. That's how I'm able to use mine, and I got both items for free. Thank you all for watching my video, and I'll see you all next week. Stay safe. Bye-bye.